Hi there, I'm here in Yongshei village, which is in Longleng District, and today happens to be their harvest festival as well. So the community, they're about to beat the log drum in their Morung. This is Morung. Morung is a community center or community hall or community dormitories. We have one here and then another one there. I already had a vlog on Morung and when I first came to Longleng, but today, because the community, because of their harvest festival, they are going to do the, let's see, log drum. Here is Bongan, local youth here, and Bongan will help me understand some of the motifs here in the Morung. If you can see, like there is the tiger, and then you have the hornbill over there, and then also many hornbill lion, and then a huge over here, pillar here. So maybe I'll ask Bongan to help me understand the motifs here.
Okay. What I have an analysis that like a Morung, guys, they should have like a tiger mind. Before the forefathers time, there was killing each other. But like Morung itself, they said that we should have like the tiger mind. This is the significance that the tiger they have. This significance is that the hornbill is the richest bird. Like we identify and put other things.
Okay.
Boys should have like a big heart comparing with this elephant.
Okay. And when we come inside, let's go inside and see. There are some more motifs over there.
Okay.
There, over there. What does this mean?
Yes, this is the sign of like they believe that during the forefathers the human being transformed from this
Okay.
this Meisum
And we have one person over there.
This is called the Hamba. We call it Hamba.
Okay.
In a boom we call it Hamba during the forefathers and killing first year.
Yeah.
So who killed the one who take the one head? He put a sign of this one.
Okay.
This is the sign.
So the one who has the most head
Yeah.
will have the sign of this one.
Sign of this one.
So some kind of a local hero.
Yeah, local hero. Yeah.
Okay. And then we have this log over here.
Yeah.
A
In Hmong language we call it Bishong, but I cannot explain it.
Bishong.
Yeah,
So
Bishong.
what is the use of this one?
Whenever we gather like that, in a Morung cross, we have to go and declare this is sign of calling people.
Oh, okay.
So
So this is also like a log drum?
Yeah.
No.
No,
Is it hollow inside?
Yeah, there is a hole.
Okay.
So they have a gland over here
Okay.
for calling the people.
Okay, and now the last one here is the log drum.
Yeah.
So this is the log drum.
So whenever we have a festival, whenever we something else, we used to beat this log drum. This log drum has different name, like Langsham, Mosham, and Bangmona. Whenever we something else, we have a different name of beating the log drum. So
Okay.
this is
So like for festival, if somebody died, do you use this log
no.
drum?
During the death, we don't use.
Only during the festival.
During the
Nowadays,
festival, and if the Morung has works, regarding the festival on this Morung, we will use for this one.
So based on the pattern, people will identify.
Yeah, this is the sign. are
purely indigenous.
yeah.
Some công bờ gần lắm sống qua cái sát như vậy. Hà phải cỡ mỗi sắm công ở bằng như vậy. Hà phải cỡ lăng sắm yang nhị công như vậy. Hà phải cỡ sát sắm chế ý công như vậy. Hà phải cỡ lung tung sẽ công như vậy. Hà phải cỡ sắm tăng sẽ công như vậy. Hà phải cỡ ghen công như vậy. Hà phải cỡ nhị bà nhũ chấm bà nhũ sẽ công từ vậy sát tại tội như vậy.
So we'll go up and see another morung. Uncle wanted to show me his morung. In the villages, there are different morungs, especially not different morungs, but like there will be 2 or 3 or more than that morung, depending upon the like colonies. So this one, the size, this one is a little bit smaller, but the design, there are many more motifs compared to the other one. So let's go up and see. This has more motifs. Yes. So the uncle wanted to show me his morung. We'll go inside and see the log drum. Okay, they have 2 log drum. Bongam, why do they have 2 log drum?
No, this is the new morung. This is the new log drum that I've taken recently. So this is the older one. So
Okay.
we just keep it.
So now they are not using this.
Yeah, they are not using this one, and they are using the new one.
Okay.
Bachaya, I see the
Oh.
this yearly, this year they have taken.
So how long does one log drum last?
We can even go like 50, 60 years.
In this room, what do you usually do in this room?
So this room, well, during the night or they while being enough, they used to gather over here and do like something works. There is nothing much that they are sure about the Morung exhibition, something like the old
Morung law, no? Traditional law,
Morung law is also there, huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why all those methods they used to discuss in this Morung,
Okay.
inside the Morung.
So,
And
like, suppose the one that we saw, that small local prison, all those things, the decision, the local law is being passed here, or how is it like?
the decision, the local law is passed by the village council,
Yeah.
That if one person do the wrong something else, we put over it this for one to the local. the local, yeah.
Okay. And like in a Morung meeting used to happen, or?
Yeah, sometimes those the Morung, yeah, we used to have a meeting.
Oh, okay. Morung is only for like leisure entertainment purpose, or is it like the courtroom? This is not the courtroom,
Yeah,
right?
this is not the courtroom.
Okay. This one has a more intricate design. Here you have the elephants here, and then there. Even the eagle is there. That's the real bone, right?
Real bone, yeah.
Tiger, elephant, hornbill, and then that one is Mithun, I think. Mithun, no? Okay. And then those who have contributed for the Morung,
Yeah, their list is here.
their lease is there. I don't know, you can see, it's a little bit down. Chalo, thanks.
Okay, na?
Thanks for showing me around the Morung.
Uncle is happy.
Yes. Thank you, Uncle.
yes,
Thank you for sharing. Thank you is
Medicare.
Medike.